Team starters muna tayo for the 1800 division brought to us by Doride. For Palawan muna, we have Patalinghug, Zamoras, Rosales, Dulanas, and Binagatan. For Antipolo naman, we have Moral, Seria, Pacheco, Manlutak, and Escobedo. We'll see who will first ride the momentum. Dulanas, shot too strong. Follow-up is in. That was scare off number 13.
With himself, the coach, Geoff Cleopas, and now he's starting to perform, getting the first field goal of this game.
Another bucket, or the first bucket.
Manlutak getting the first two. Para sa kanyang kumpunan, this is a great sign. Para sa Antipolo, they're finally on the board, and Zamoras on the other hand.
In the first quarter, Palawan, Zamoras contra Moral,
Wow.
gets it in.
That's the second time.
And looking at this replay, great cut and finish para Rizal. As we can see here, Zamoras loses that ball. Turnover committed by Palawan. Now, Antipolo will take that opportunity. So far, as we take a look at this replay, okay, sidestep and that layup finish. Under 6 minutes remaining. Duterte finds that opening. That was from Pacheco.
Waiting at the back. And this is what you love about this big man. Mabilis tumakbo, mabilis bumaba. Therefore, he gets rewarded.
Party by Moral. Keeps to Binagatan. And at that center, Zamoras knocks it down.
Zamoras, tough task for him to guard itong si Direk Duterte, who's bigger than him in terms of frame. And Manlutak.
Once again, still setting up.
Oh, great
Finds
pass.
Rosales and gets the bucket. Look at this replay. See that cut from Rosales. Great find and finish. Bagay na yun. But right now, Palawan still up by 2 points. Ignacio looking for that opening and finds it.
Oh,
Velasquez.
dangerous closeout. Let's look at it again. Great high-low pass. Humadi was jumped.
Deep, trying to defend Palawan, who is currently having a 5-point lead. But pulls up for 3 and it's in. But this time it's now Duterte. Loses that ball. Yeah, great defense by Corpus. Stolen. And Velasquez for that finish. Yan ang pinapakita ng Palawan dito, but Moral steps back. Misses on that 3-pointer, but the follow-up is in. Look at the score.
Look at this. Si Manlutak na rin yung retrieve ng basketball.
Humadi fakes.
Oh, great pass.
Great find and finish. That was coming off number 44 of Antipolo.
Yeah, they need more of that. You know, those highlight plays, momentum plays to get the morale boosted.
As you can see here,
It's just the end.
keeping it at a double-digit lead. Great tap and steal. But Humadi recovers.
Shot clock's off too.
8 seconds remaining on the game clock. A bit short on that 3-pointer attempt. 2 seconds remaining. And the time is up for the first quarter. 27-17. 10-point lead dito ang Palawan. We're about to see how Antipolo will adjust. But unfortunately, loses that ball in the turnover. Melicor fouls Dulanas. So
That Palawan has been executing all throughout this season. There have been some moments na yung kalamangan nila.
still at 12-point lead, making it 13 points na kalamangan para dito sa Palawan. Not bad at all, pero tingnan natin Antipolo. Loses that ball once again. Another turnover. Costly one, indeed. Fortunately for Melicor, he wasn't able to get the second one in. Patalinghug pulls up for 3, knocks it down. Taking a look at this once again. Stop and pop for Patalinghug.
Yeah, nobody home.
Palaki na palaki ang kalamangan nitong Palawan, but Antipolo. Chog Moral, finally!
That's been what's working so well aside from defense. So I really have to say, you know, both
Still at 37-20. Antipolo still down by 17 points. Melicor pulls up for 3! Or this is just a long 2-pointer rather against Bourbon. Or Corpus rather. Moral pulls up and gets that bucket in.
Doubled
Igliane
again.
pulls up for 3. Be too strong. Escobedo, defensive rebound, looking to score and gets it in.
Yeah, that's great spin, you know.
Palawan once again on the attack. Velasquez goes straight to the basket. Won't work, but the follow-up is in. That was scare of Borbon.
Again, John, that's an open court attempt. But hey, look at this now.
Clock. Rosales gets that floater in.
And he just had about 5 points to cut the lead down to 10. A while ago, it was just 17. But if you cannot get back on defense quickly, team's got a lot of rest. Much needed ones. Balik tayo sa action ngayon. But it seems like the heat does not stop.
As we take a look at this replay,
That lefty just had to fire it, let it go, nothing but net.
isn't that free throw once again for 3. Same spot, same result. Duterte offensive rebound, powering through and gets the bucket.
Again, great. But look at this again. Duterte just continues to...
A minute and a half remaining, second quarter. Palawan. Corpus attacks the
Wow.
basket and gets it done. Gives it to Pacheco. Or Igliane rather. Igliane, the floater is in.
That was probably the easy...
Looking at this replay, Igliane crosses all the defenders. Getting that. Moral guarded by Corpus. Gives that bump. Trying to penetrate. Spins and gets that fadeaway bucket.
bit more aggressive. Just look at it again. More bumps against Corpus, who's playing good defense, but just better off if they want to catch up.
That's what we're about to find out. But the end of the first half, 57-45 in favor of Palawan.
Basketball to activate the other players.
Speaking of Melicor, attempted that three-pointer but misses. Offensive rebound. Step through and gets the bucket.
Yeah, great use of the Pinoy step there.
Or defensive rebound. Igliane attacks the basket and it works.
Yeah, great awareness. Was gonna miss there. And that time, itong si Dulanas.
Care of the tight defense of Palawan, but right now they're on the offense. Rosales attacks the basket. Ignores the defense of Moral.
Double digits sa lamang.
11 na naman ang kalamangan ng Palawan. Duterte working his way
Wow.
through. Bringing it back down to his Velasquez. Just couldn't get the finish. Tulanas talking to Moral, but we have Velasquez on the attack. Behind the back pass. That will work. Tulanas scores.
But you have to look at this. Velasquez had a highlight reel in mind. Touched and
Rosales gives to Nodalo. Nodalo pulls up for 3. Knocks it down. That bucket. Oh, Corpus fakes. Attacks the basket instead. And it worked.
para dito kay Jim Corpus. So a lot of guards here for Coach Geoff Cleopas are at
Humadi. Shot clock at 6 seconds. Finds that opening and a much-needed score.
ball now.
32 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Rosales pulls up. Quick 3 and knocks it down.
Louis Rosales.
Pacheco for Antipolo. Libre. That being said, 74-57, end of the third quarter in favor of Palawan. Rosales finds that opening, but he gives it up instead and gets the finish. What an unselfish play.
They realized na itong si Rosales, he didn't have the best shot. So he gave it to Kirby Bourbon, who had the...
By Rosales. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Finally, a three-pointer.
So 80% is a really good shot chart here, but Pacheco is starting to heat up as well.
Down by 16. Chog pulls up, way too short, but it was followed up by Manduta.
Coach Geoff Cleopas definitely not happy with that. Here was the previous possession na nakuha.
14-point deficit for Antipolo. Manluta finds that opening against Dulanas and shot clock 7 seconds. The follow-up is in. One has the ball possession once again. Nodalo! Hot-handed, cold-blooded. Looking at this replay.
Yeah, again, John, they were so close. Itong Antipolo, 79-6.
Controlling the leather for Antipolo. Gives it to Pacheco. Pacheco for three and gets it in.
Yeah, he's the silver line.
Antipolo, or from Palawan rather.
Yeah, John, we're nearing the last 2 minutes of this game. And that might be the dagger. Or maybe just a long two. But what a run it has been para sa Palawan. Seems like all of the players na manggagaling dito kay Coach Joff will have enough time to actually play once Jarel Prieto enters.
20-point advantage. 90-70 with 44 seconds left. Number 2.
Yeah, I mean, there's just a few more technical free throws dahil sa hindi pag-tuck-in ng ilan sa mga Palawan players, and obviously
Pataling hook. Misses that shot. One and done para sa Palawan Urich Builders.
that was composed of players that were able to at least find momentum all throughout the season. Sadyang sobrang naging dedicated ang kupunan ng Palawan on both ends of the floor. Getting that full court press was impressive for them to make it a double-digit lead, and then maintaining it was another.